100% remember, but one of these sealed Cello boxes. There's a couple that pop up on eBay each day. I snagged a couple off eBay, a couple off Facebook deals, and I think LCS should start getting them soon too. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll keep buying them or not. It depends on what this box brings us. Last box was not very exciting, so yeah, pop the old neck. Oh boy, I'm stiff. I don't know why. We'll go ahead and bust it open, get our packs out. I like the Cellos. They're just so compact and efficient. That's why I break a lot of Cello boxes. But if the hits aren't there, we're gonna put a stop to it. This looks so neat coming out of there. So pretty. Ooh, Chase Claypool. Yeah, we need a Herbert for sure. I wish I could sleep all day, but some people just call and text all the time, Matt, if you know what I'm talking about. You a troll. Let's see if we can get that to show a little bit there. Well, there's our pack information. Base Prizm green, red, white, and blue. So does the other green is the other color we might could find. And we got a bunch of different inserts. Emergent, Fireworks, Unstoppable, Brilliance, Go Hard or Go Home. Some of those. So anyways, we'll go ahead and bust it open and start. It should be one pack of 12 and then a red, white, and blue pack. All right, Mark Ingram, Keelan Cole, Chad Johnson, Rashawn Evans, Dalvin Tomlinson. I never noticed Matthew Stafford in the background on the ground. McCole Herman Jr., Jimmy Garoppolo, Kawan Short, Bobby Wagner. We have a green rookie. Oh, nice. A.J. Dillon for the Packers. I think all of our greens the other night were not rookies, so that's a good start. Myles Garrett for the Browns, Unstoppable. That's probably a pretty fitting card there. And our rookie, Michael Ojemudia for the Broncos. So we did get a green rookie. Not too bad for the Packers. Somebody in the basketball break, and I apologize, and I hope I didn't do it with other listings. I listed the Houston Rockets as the Houston Texans in the basketball. I talked to the person. They've been in the breaks quite a bit, so that's usually I go run through them real quick and make sure I didn't make any mistakes, but I guarantee I just made a bunch of mistakes across a bunch of breaks, and I just never noticed them. We got a Ricky Williams, Adrian Amos, and a rookie Antonio Gandy Golden for the Redskins. Luckily, the 2 times that I've known that happened, the, is that a fuzzy on there? I think that's like a, I don't know, it's not really sticking up. I think the 2 times I've made that mistake, people that were already in the group ended up winning the team. And they understand, but you just never know. All right, Calvinoy, Troy Polamalu, Le'Veon Bell, Landon Collins, Hunter Henry, Danny Amendola, O.J. Howard, Adam Thielen, Robert Woods. And we have a silver. Yeah, it's upside down too. It's not a rookie. Oh, it is a Todd Gurley though. It's not too bad. Last I checked, Todd Gurley was doing pretty good this year, so could be wrong. Oh, nice fireworks. Kyler Murray for the Cardinals. And a Jalen Reagor rookie for the Eagles. And a Kid Reporter. I wonder if the Kid Reporter... So in those 20 count hangers, the Kid Reporter lets us know that we're getting a variation. I wonder if a Kid Reporter in these packs lets us know that we're getting something special. Maybe like a silver. Who knows? Justin knows. Jack Doyle, Demario Davis, and a rookie, Gabriel Davis for the Bills. Not too shabby. At least we're getting some rookies in their NFL uniforms to start it off, because, boy, howdy. I didn't have so many combine players the other night. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Minka Fitzpatrick, Gardner Minshew, Bryce Love, Keelan Doss, Eddie Jackson, Mike Evans, Adrian Amos, Chandler Jones. We got green, unstoppable Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. Those greens look pretty slick. Brilliance Adam Thielen, Vikings, and a Lynn Bowden Jr. rookie for the Raiders. Laurent Duvernay Tardif, red, white, and blue for the Chiefs. There's Aaron Jones for the Packers. And Chase Claypool, red, white, and blue for the Steelers. Solid one there. Oh no. 1 for 3. Jack Doyle, Jonathan Ogden, Stephon Diggs, Sean Lee, Philip Lindsay, Dallas Goedert, Deion Jones, Richard Sherman, Taysom Hill, and a green David Montgomery for the Bears. It's actually his second year card. Unstoppable Nick Bosa, 49ers, and Jeff Gladney rookie for Vikings. Boy, howdy. There we go. Just gotta finesse it. way to do it. Alright, Melvin Gordon, Jerry Rice, and as a quarterback, old Jake Luton for the Jaguars. Well, at least he's not running as 40 like Nate Stanley's picture for the Vikings, that combine quarterback. I think there's 4 combine quarterbacks maybe, or maybe just 3. DiNucci may be in his college jersey. We got Luton, Stanley, and Anthony Gordon, I know. Alright, Will Fuller, Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, Derwin James Jr., Ryan Tannehill, Saquon Barkley, Daniel Hunter, Aaron Donald, Sean Alexander, a green rookie, Bradley Anae for the Cowboys, green there, Odell Beckham Jr., go hard or go home, and also for the Browns we got Donovan Peoples-Jones, rookie. I did get another green rookie, but it was nothing to write home about. Jonathan Ogden, Miles Sanders, and our rookie is Josh Uche, the Patriots. Not sure if I pronounced that last name right. I would say Uche, but it could be Uche. Uche. Or it could be Uchi. I'm committing to Uche. Sounds French. Actually, I don't know what French sounds like, so. Can I get the country award, please? David Njoku, Cam Newton, Earl Thomas, Damian Williams, Joe Theismann, Joey Bosa, Jelani Tavai, Jason Pierre-Paul, Anthony Harris. I have a green brilliance, Terry McLaurin. And it's kind of cool how the chain, his chain kind of shimmers too. Another brilliance, Chris Carson for the Seahawks. We got a Michael Pirine rookie for the Jets. Le'Veon Bell still in the Jets uniform. Emmitt Smith and a rookie of Darrington Evans for the Titans. It's going to be our halfway point. Kyle, there should not be any numbered cards in Prizm retail. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. There's no numbers, and the only autos are in the mega boxes. No, it's not numbered. But yeah, somebody can double check me and check my facts. But I'm pretty sure in Prizm retail there's no numbered cards, and the only autos you can get are mega boxes. Yannick Ngakoue, Odell Beckham Jr., Xavier Howard, A.J. Brown, Warren Moon, Deshaun Jackson, Shaq Thompson, Brian Bosworth, Ronald Jones, not a rookie, a Grady Jarrett, green for the Falcons. Oh, nice emergent Henry Ruggs rookie, and a KJ Hamler rookie for the Broncos. I guess they do that to make the hobby boxes super valuable, but I guess it doesn't matter when like base Herberts go for 100 plus, and you know, silver and stuff get way up in the hundreds for the quarterbacks. So the chase cards just become a little bit different when you don't have the numbered cards on retail. Troy Polamalu, DJ Moore, and a Tua, red, white, and blue for the Dolphins. Hey now. There we go. America. The Giants cards look the sickest with red, white, and blue. We pulled a Danny Dimes the other day, and it like almost perfectly matched the way his jersey was set up. John Brown, Myles Garrett, Sonny Michel, Miles Sanders, Laurent Duvernay Tardif, Allen Robinson, Alvin Kamara, Barry Sanders. Oh yeah, that's true too, Jesse. Rondé Barber, green Kyle Van Noy. This is one of those 5 or 6 traded cards in the set. This one will go to the Dolphins. I don't understand. I guess they got like older players, and I think Leonard Fournette's still with the Jaguars in this stuff. It's like, what in the world? It's laziness. Fireworks, Derrick Henry, and Julian Okwara, rookie for the Lions. I say lazy. He may have gotten traded after they printed this stuff, but I want to say there's a couple players that were after him that are in updated uniforms. So it may just depend on if they can gather the player up for a new photo. I don't know. I'm surprised they don't just Photoshop. All right, we got Jarvis Landry, Chris Godwin, a couple of nice receivers. Ooh, that's a nice one. Jeremy Chin for the Panthers. Yeah, that's the other one. Kyle Jamal Adams. Yeah, and with I think it's Le'Veon Bell's the other one his trade may have been a little bit late, but they definitely got him, I think, in a Jets jersey and designated to the Jets on the card. Anyways, enough chitter chatter. It's time to focus up and chain my inner focus for a Justin Herbert here. Nick Chubb, Ricky Williams, Deshaun Watson, Sterling Shepard, Champ Bailey, Beast, Austin Eckler, Curtis Samuel, Devin White, Kyle Rudolph. We have a green Hype. Oh, that's a nice card. Honestly, for the Raiders, if I was a Raiders fan, I would probably prefer this card over a couple of the rookies for sure. Maybe not over Ruggs, but that's a sweet looking card. Josh Jacobs Hype Green. We got DJ Chark Brilliance. And a Michael Warren rookie for the Eagles. If we don't pull a Michael Warren, it's not a break. I think we pulled Michael Warren about every break so far. Well, Josh Jacobs. Josh Jacobs is probably one of the mistakes I made. Which I don't really hold cards that long, but I sold a bunch of Josh Jacobs. I probably undersold them while he had some injuries last year. Pretty solid dude. Always puts his head down, ready to rumble. I wish old Darren McFadden would have been like that if he wasn't hurt while he was over there. Of course, he just, I don't know, he had some sparks while he's in the NFL, but Matthew Stafford, Preston Smith, and a James Prochet, rookie for the Ravens. Yeah, we need a Burrow, Herbert, Jordan Love, Jalen Hurts. We did pull a nice Tua. Yeah, Landon, I'm from Arkansas. We used to go watch. When Darren and Felix were playing, I was probably 12 or so, and Dad would take us to a game a year usually. They just run all over the field. Joe Namath, Leonard Fournette, Dan Marino, Johnny Smith, Golden Tate, Tyreek Hill, Greg Zuerlein, Teddy Bridgewater, Tyler Lockett, Jarvis Landry, green for the Browns. We have Brilliance, Ryan Tannehill, and Albert Okwuegbunam, rookie for the Broncos. His last name's a mouthful. Ooh. All right, let's do something decent right here. Well, Champ Bailey, Chris Carson. Oh, I saw the Bengals colors. Logan Wilson for the Bengals. Not even close to a Burrow. Yeah. Yeah, they could do some funky stuff with those two. And the crazy thing is Peyton Hillis was on that team too. The guy that was on the cover of Madden one year. He's like a one-hit wonder in the NFL, or one-year wonder, but they had a crazy squad of running backs. There's old Jamal Adams, Jets jersey, Seahawks card, Quentin Nelson, Ed Reed, old Matthew Stafford, Emmitt Smith, Melvin Gordon, Tyler Higbee, Grady Jarrett. Let's get a green rookie here. Eric Armstead, Tyler Higbee green for the Rams. Not a rookie. Not a rookie at all. CeeDee Lamb, emergent for the Cowboys. And a Jermichael Hasty, rookie for the 49ers. Calvin Oy, Austin Eckler. Oh, got him. Oh boy, that's some. We got one pack sitting back there. That's you just by the hair on the chinny chin, my man. Oh, that always makes me sweat. Got him. It's the best feeling as a breaker when you actually get it in the top loader. You pull it out of the pack and the hands get to shaking. Oh. David Johnson, Quinnen Williams, Darius Leonard. There's Daniel Jones, Dwayne Haskins, Kerryon Johnson, Dalvin Cook, Jared Goff, Keith Brooking, another rookie. Oh, nice little green J.K. Dobbins. Squeaking in some end of the break surprises, luckily. Oh, got an emergent Tua. Now Brian Edwards rookie. Not a bad pack. I do go back and sleeve and top load a lot of those other cards too. Like, I know I didn't touch the Rugs and the CD Lamb on camera, but I got those set aside so I can top load them after the break. Along with some others. I try to pick and choose some of the higher value cards during the break for a recap. We'll go over those at the end and then I'll get to sorting afterwards. So we can't get 2 rookies. I don't think I've ever gotten 2 rookies out of a red, white, and blue unless it's an error pack. We're going to have to make a choice between hopefully a Burrow, a Jordan Love, or a Jalen Hurts here. See if I can finagle this out of there. There we go. That's one way to do it. All right, here we go. Mark Brunell, Sterling Shepard, maybe Jaguars or Dolphins colors there. C.J. Henderson for the Jaguars. Oh yeah, and Fromm. Could have got Fromm too. I forget about Fromm, and that's what makes me think he's way undervalued because I never even think about him. You can probably get Prizm Fromm rookies for pennies on the dollar. He'll get a chance one day. He'll get a chance for sure. Maybe not with the Bills, but the Jaguars had a heck of a break the other night. Oh my goodness. I think I had 5 of their cards at the top loaded before the break was even over for Jaguars. I had like a variation LaVisca, a green maybe LaVisca, silver C.J. Henderson. It was just all good things, you know. All right, we got A.J. Dillon green for the Packers, Antonio Gandy golden, red, white, and blue, Todd Gurley silver. I like that card. I like old Todd Gurley. Fireworks, Kyler Murray. Gabriel Davis, nice rookie there, red, white, and blue. Chase Claypool, red, white, and blue. David Montgomery green. Jake Luton, another Jaguar, red, white, and blue there. Bradley Anae for the Cowboys green. Josh Uche, red, white, and blue for the Patriots. Darrington Evans, red, white, and blue. Terry McLaurin, Brilliance green for the Redskins. We got a Tua, red, white, and blue. Jeremy Chin, red, white, and blue. A green hype, Josh Jacobs. James Prochet, red, white, and blue. Logan Wilson. There's the old Justin Herbert, red, white, and blue. J.K. Dobbins green. Emergent Tua. And red, white, and blue C.J. Henderson. So this break was, believe it or not, 5 times better probably than the last sealed cello we did. We still missed 3 or 4 of the quarterbacks, the main ones, but we pulled 2 monsters. So Well, 2 monsters for Cellos. I guess a silver would have been just mind-blowing. But the red, white, and blues for Herbert and 2 are definitely some big cards. So that's a good thing. Anyways, I appreciate you guys jumping in. From now until Christmas, I will be breaking like a madman. NBA Hoops just came out, so I'm going to try to get a bunch of those breaks up. If stuff will get delivered, you just never know right now with the post office. So if it makes it to the house, I'll try to list some breaks up, but I definitely won't be breaking on Christmas Day. Maybe not the day after either, but I'm probably going to do 2 or 3 breaks every night up until then. So I know a bunch of people are off during Christmas week. Hopefully you guys are, or at least get off a couple days. So, but anyways, appreciate you guys jumping in. I apologize if we didn't hit any cards for your team or any decent cards. But I'll get these things shipped out tomorrow. If you're in the basketball break, I'll see you here in a few minutes. If not, y'all have a good weekend. Maybe we'll catch you some other time. We'll see you.